Welcome back to another video for HarborFinancialOnline.com. Today I'm going to talk about if you're eligible to get the additional child tax credit, and I'm going to explain to you the requirements to qualify for the additional child tax credit and how much you can actually get. So let me get the video going here. So you can be eligible for this credit even if you didn't pay taxes during the year. Because it's a credit, it's not a percentage of tax, it's a dollar for dollar. So even if you didn't pay tax during the year, you can still qualify for this credit. The additional child tax credit is for people that didn't qualify for the regular child tax credit, okay? Now you must file either the regular 1040, a 1040A, or a 1040NR. You cannot file the 1040EZ or some of the other forms. So it has to be one of those three. Has to be your main return that you file with the IRS in your state. Now the credit, the additional child tax credit, is reported on Form 8812. In this video I'm going to cover some of the really important areas of that form, and then I'm actually going to go to the form and walk through these areas with you. So if this gets a little confusing, just hold on a minute and I'll go to the form, but I just want to do a quick overview of the form. Now, you have to complete a child tax credit worksheet to see if you're eligible first, and then you'll do the form. Now, the amount you calculate on the worksheet is going to get reported on line 1 of Form 8812. In any of this, if you do it electronically online, say through our website, it's automatically going to fill in these boxes and these forms for you, so it makes it a lot easier. Now you need to look at this bullet here, line 51 from your 1040 to your Form 8812. So that amount on line 51 is going to get reported on Form 8812. Earned income and non-taxable combat pay will be reported on Form 8812 as well. To be eligible for the credit, you must have a valid Social Security number that matches IRS records. If they don't match, it's going to automatically get rejected. Now, if you have 3 or more children, you need to complete Part 2 of Form 8812. Again, I'm going to show you this on the form. You need to also complete boxes 7 through 12 on Form 8812. Box 7 is the amount of the Social Security tax withheld on your W-2. So let's go to the form now. Just 1 minute and I'll bring up the form. Okay, this is the form here, Form 8812. Now again, I said that you had to be one of these 3 filers. So here, say if you're a traditional 1040 filer, the amount from line 6 of the child tax credit worksheet will go on here. Now I have videos on the worksheet, so you can go to my YouTube and find a video on that. I have plenty of videos on the child tax credit worksheet and child tax credit, if you don't know what that worksheet is. So it's going to go on here. Again, 1040A and 1040NR, you'll go according to what lines it says here. But if you do the return online, it's automatically going to fill in these boxes for you. Again, I talked about this. Earned income will have to be reported on here, and non-taxable combat pay. So you're going to have to get the total of that. Part 2, I talked about this. If you have 3 or more children, it will be reported in this section, Part 2. And you can see how they have it, a box for whatever kind of filer you are. And then it's automatically going to calculate down here what your child tax credit is. And then if you see here in the small writing, the amount of this will go on your 1040 line 65 if you're filing the Form 1040A line 42, Form 1040NR line 61. And there's the some more instructions on it. So that's the form, and it's fairly easy, but it is easy to make mistakes as well on the form. Here's our website, harborfinancialonline.com. We offer lots of free information on taxes, credits, deductions, and you can prepare the return directly online. Or you could just do a quick calculation of what your taxes might be or what your refund might be. And we have pages devoted just to the child tax credit to see, you know, the specific laws regarding qualifying for it. So check that out. We have this whole section here is on child tax credit information. So let's go back to the video. So I appreciate you watching the video. Check out some of the other videos. I hope that helped. Again, that form is just if you don't qualify for the normal child tax credit, okay? Make sure to check out my videos on the child tax credit worksheet, because you'll have to calculate on that worksheet the amount that's going to go onto the form 8812. So check that out. Check out our website, harborfinancialonline.com. Thank you.